Okay. So we're going to talk about relation. In math, it's a relationship of an x and a y. Okay? So it's basically just pairs of inputs, which is our x, and outputs, which is our y. Okay? If I'm talking about a relation, I'm talking some sort of relationship with x, y coordinates. Okay? There's a couple different ways you're going to see a relation. You might see a graph. You might see a graph. You might see an XY table. You might see a list of coordinates. You might see an equation, okay? But it's some sort of relationship where an X has a Y, okay? Now, what we get to talk about, the fun part of what we get to talk about, is what a function is, okay? So a function is a special relation in which all inputs have only one output. What does that mean? What does that look like? That's what we're going to spend today doing. Okay? So I'm actually going to have you turn back a page to 59. Okay? Okay? So here are the different ways. Okay? Here are the different ways that a relation can be presented. Okay? I could give you an equation. Maybe I give you y equals x plus 7. That's an equation. I could give you an input-output table. So in purple here, maybe I give you a table where I have the inputs, that's x, and the outputs, that's y. Do you notice how all of my x's have one y coordinate? It's a function. Like you've done this before? Yeah? Seriously, right now? Make it fast. Okay? We could have a graph. Okay? I could give you a list of ordered pairs, and what that would look like is we would have this little squiggly brace, and I would say, okay, I have the coordinate 1, 1. I also have the coordinate 2, 3. I also have the coordinate 3, 5. What? I'm just giving you an example of what could happen. I'm making these up, Lane.
Oh.
What? I'm making this up. Okay. We also have what's called a mapping. Okay, and what I'll do is my purple XY table, I'll make it a mapping. So my X's are 1, 2, 8, whoops, no, they're not. They're 1, 3, and 5. And my Y's are 2, 4, and 6. And what a mapping does is it says, hey, my X that is 1 belongs with my Y that is 2. And my X that is 3 belongs with my Y that is 4. Why are we laughing? My X that is 5 belongs with my Y that is 6. Stop laughing. Are you angry at your book?
Yes.
Guys, it's not that serious.
No.
You missed the whole page.
Well, I can't see your hand. It's like right here.
Okay.
You can't even cut the tape.
Okay. So, I am getting there. In our graph, right here, we have a relation. Let's come down here and let's make it into a list of ordered pairs. Are you ready? Okay. Stop. It's done. So this, right here, we're going to come down here. Give me an ordered pair on that graph. How about this one? 0, 8. What's this one? 1, 6. What's this one?
1, 4.
How about 2, 4? What's this one?
3, 2.
Just spit on.
What's this one?
4, 0.
Okay. So I have a question. Do all of those X's have only one Y value? Then when we answer this question up here, we say yes. All X's have one Y. All inputs have only one output. Okay. So I want to talk about what that looks like in all the different ways that this could happen. Okay? We're going to work as a class. We'll have 30 partners. Okay. If this is my XY table, the question we need to ask ourselves, does every X have only one Y?
No.
Which X has more than one Y? Oh, so is it a function?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. All my inputs, that's the X, have one output. That's the Y. Now, oh no. What about in B? Okay, so my input of 8 has an output of 0. My input of 8 also has an output of 1. My input of 8 also has an output of 2. That's the question. Is it a function?
Yeah.
No, because my input of 8 has more than one output.
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay. Now, can we talk about what this would look like on a graph? Okay, all lines are straight. I need you to be a little bit more specific.
The dots would go in a straight line.
Okay. If we have 2 points that are vertical from each other, then it's not going to be a function, because if we are vertical from each other, our x's have 2 different y values. Okay? So, I know I'm all over the place here, people. But, I want you to briefly turn back to this. And I want you to put a star right here and write vertical line test. What? Okay. All right, so now back a page. We're going to go over here. Okay, and I want to look, I know that I'm kind of skipping all around. But since we just talked about graphs, let's talk about this D. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a vertical line. And I'm going to move it. Ready? If I hit 2 dots at the same time, that's not cool.
No.
Is this a function? Okay. So no, this is not a function because it fails the vertical line test. Well, yeah, back a page. Do what? Yeah. Otherwise, I wouldn't write it. Oh, Lino is saying, hey, it fails it 2 times. I don't care how many times it fails it. If it fails it once, we're done. Okay. I want you and your elbow partner to whisper to each other and decide whether C is a function or not. Every input needs 1 output. All right, Jonah is really excited about something. Jonah, tell me what you talked about.
That I understood it.
Okay, is it a function?
No.
Why?
Because it goes to like 10 and 11.
Who?
3.
So x equals 3 has 2 outputs. That's not cool, bro. That felt really awkward. I don't even know why that came out of my mouth. Yeah, bro. Okay. All right, how about E? How does E look?
It looks good.
Oh, I have a question that you did not hear. I had a question. Does it matter if it's negative versus positive? Okay. -1 and +1 are 2 different places on our number line, so they're different. So does this? Is this a function? Yes, this is a function.
Wait, what'd you say? It doesn't count, so it's right? No,
Correct.
it's not a function because it fails to be.
Which x has more than 1 y?
No, But it fails the vertical test.
How?
Because there's 2 6s for the y.
Okay, if I plot this, -2, 5, -1, 8, 0, 6, 1, 6, 2, 7. How does that fail the vertical line test?
Use your brain, Grady.
Okay,
Failure.
okay. This is no, because -1 has 2 different outputs. Sad day. All right. So again, we're gonna boop, 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 boop. Now we're on page 61. Okay. Here is the vertical line test. Oh, I don't even know.
You can tell.
Today's just a bad day, man.
Here's the deal. Yesterday was a 14-hour day. Today is a 14-hour. Maybe it was 12.
Miss Holman and I believe in you, Miss Holman.
Thanks.
You can do it.
Hey, can I have your voices off though? Okay, here is a picture of the vertical line test because we could have dots or we could have what we're going to call a continuous graph. Now, I would like you to go to page 63. And on page 63, I would like you to determine in 1, 2, 3, and 4, do we have a function? Write it down. Go.
This one's a no. This one's a no, right?
No, it goes no, yes, no, yes. No, because you did it vertical. You did it vertical.
Yeah, this one's Holman.
Number 4.
It's no, yes, no, yes.
Okay, look up there.
See, we need like that.
Miss Holman. Oh, okay. They come in? If you jam your fingers, no, yes, no, yes. Oh, I
Okay, it sounds to me like we have some people who are finished discussing. Okay? Did they say hi?
No, they're just walking through like.
Why are they always here?
Because they walk.
It must be their plan period.
It's their recess time. It's their flex.
Okay. Hey,
Why don't we go outside?
Alfie, is number 1 a function or not? Okay, Alfie says, it's like Simon says, Alfie says number 1 is no. Truman, why?
Because there's 2 inputs.
Okay,
Do we have to run?
-2 has 2 outputs.
Do we have to?
So if I ask you to explain why, then yes. Okay. Isla, what about number 2? Function or not? Okay, and if we have a function, that means each input has 1 output. Madison. So on your homework, I'm not gonna hover over to see what you're putting, but on a graded homework, a quiz or a test, if I say explain, then I am going to want that. Okay? Okay. McKenna, is number 3 a function? Whoops. If I do my vertical line, so no, it fails vertical line test.
I did not actually put that.
I put no.
X equals 2 has 2 out.
That's beautiful. Okay? That is shorter. Okay. Make 5. Lane, is number 4 a yes or a no?
Number 4 is yes.
Yes, because it passes the vertical line test. If you have a graph, your reason should be about the vertical line test. As Liliana pointed out, it's quicker to write, but the vertical line test is specific to us having that graph. Okay?
9.
Okay, so on your whiteboard, I won't even ask you to write the explanation, but on your whiteboard, write 1, 2, 3, 4, and write yes or no for each.
She's trying to blow. You spell it out. I'm sorry.
One, two, three, four. Write it down.
I know that helps. I was thinking that. That's output.
Input.
No, it's output. No. It's probably wrong.
Find wrong
This
days.
is the smiley. Why is it always
Sure, and silence it. Cool, put it away. All right, make 5. Make 5. Hey, people. I already have to compete with the lawnmower. I can't compete with you also. I know.
I go tell me twice.
He'll listen.
Should I stick my head on something to quiet down?
Axton, is number 1 a function? Who's the problem? Okay. Kylie, is number 2 a function? Yes. Whoops. Yes, it passes the vertical line test. Number 3. Grace, is this a function? No, who's the problem? The -2 gets mapped to 2 different outputs. Sad day.
Number 4.
Grady, what's number 4?
Yes.
We have a function.